Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to use auto delete messages on your Telegram. So let's get started. We're going to open our Telegram. When you open your Telegram, then you come to this three line. Click on your three line, then scroll up and click on settings. Then scroll up and click on privacy and security. Now you come to here, you can see auto delete. Click on it. Auto delete, and this is it. You have to set when you wanted to use your auto delete. You say after 1 day, you say after 2 days, just anyone, or you can set your custom time. You use it to control your messages. When your messages is too much, you can just set it till exactly time you want to use auto delete, and it is going to delete it immediately after you have set it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.